Hi everybody, my name's Kasey and I'm here to give a little video about some teaching tips. So one of the things that I always like to do after the students read a paragraph is to check for understanding. So I always first just start with, what's the main idea? What was this paragraph about? And of course, as we know, sometimes students either are too nervous to respond or maybe they're not sure. And so there's a lot of silence occasionally. And so one of the ways that I like to kind of scaffold or help my students when they don't know what to say is I give them options. Right? So I might say something like, oh, so this paragraph is about great white sharks. Is it telling us that great white sharks are scary? Or is it saying that they are friendly, right? And I'll write the words to help the students kind of see the words, and then it gives them an option, right? And so for students who might be too nervous to say something, or maybe who don't fully understand, it can help them pick, oh, I've got these two or three options. Which one is is this paragraph actually about? Another thing I do to also help is to get students, we go over those red vocabulary words to make sure they understand it. Sometimes students will say, oh, I don't know, or they'll give like a definition that is completely wrong. But instead of just giving them the definition, I want to get them to think about it. So what I'll do is I'll make an example sentence to try to help guide them to kind of use context clues to understand it. So like for instance, today we talked about the word victims and I was, oh, what's a victim? And we first started with, is being a victim, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Well, they understood, yeah, a victim in the sense they kill their human victims. It's a bad thing, right? So what does that mean? What's a victim, right? And I made the sentence, oh, she was the victim of a crime and someone stole her purse, right? And so then we were able to talk about, oh, well, a victim is when something bad happens to you, right? Then you're the victim. So it took a little bit longer, but the students were able to get there themselves. I didn't just tell them this is a victim because it doesn't really help them remember the words, okay? So big parts of checking for understanding is getting them to think about the words, giving examples with the words, and then if they still need assistance, giving them options so that they pick which answer could be what it means. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification button.